Hello and good afternoon, lovely people. So, if you head to Moodle, you will find out that I added this link for what is called Davinci 2.0 Woocommerce Theme. If you go ahead and click on it, you will, I like to click on a new window so that I will keep my Moodle open. So I will have the AliDropShip.com themes. There are different kinds of themes. So there's a sale up to 35% off. Oh, this is for the AliDropShip solution. Okay, why not? Let's take a look so that I can show you the value of this course. So this is the page that you will land on, the AliDropShip themes. Themes is basically the interface design, the front end, yeah? The links, the buttons, the image placeholder, the video placeholder, the placeholder for text to display a description of the product, as we have seen in the previous video with Theme Forest paid themes. The number one theme in the e-commerce industry so far, as I showed you earlier, is the flat sum theme, but there are other themes that are recommended by AliDropShip because you're using the AliExpress website. And these themes, there are different themes. We're going to use the ones with WooCommerce. So you need the theme to be compatible with WooCommerce. What is WooCommerce? It's like a database. So you have the interface of the website. This website is viewing products, but where is it getting its products from? The information about its products from a database. This database is called WooCommerce. Good? Is this how we understand web technologies, web design? So you have the interface. This interface is nothing but a shell. It could be all this without the images in it, just placeholders showing that there should be an image here. But where is this image coming from? It's coming from a certain database, lovely people. Okay. And the theme should be compatible with WooCommerce so that it can connect seamlessly with it with no problems. Even if you go to, what was the name of that site? It's very, Envato Market. Yeah, the Envato Market. Was it Envato? It's very popular market. The Envato, yes, the Envato Market. Even if you go to the Envato Market to buy whatever themes here, you need to make sure that the themes are compatible with WooCommerce in the future, I'm saying. So now you need a WooCommerce theme for AliDropShip side. You can take a look at these fancy themes. They are, though, for a fee. The ones that we are gonna go with right now for a new entrepreneur with the least cost possible to start up a business is this one. This is WooCommerce compatible. This is a free theme. Is there any other free theme? There is this one, but this one is not compatible with WooCommerce. Do you see that? This is compatible with WooCommerce. This is compatible with the AliDropShip plugin. I used to tell my students to buy this plugin. We might end up getting it, but I would like to choose another option to automatically feed into the database. So this database that you will get, the WooCommerce, is again, it's like a shell, nothing in there. It's like a structure. It's like the skeleton, but there's no muscles. There's no meat, yeah? So you need to populate the database. You could populate it manually, and this will take you forever and ever and ever, and nobody does that anymore. And you can populate it automatically. We're going to learn this in another class. For today, I just would like you to understand very well what a theme is, and this is the theme that we're going to use. It's called a WooCommerce theme. It's called a Davinci 2.0 Woo theme. It's free and it's compatible with WooCommerce. This theme, we cannot use it because it's not compatible with WooCommerce. It's good for AliDropShip plugin. I'm not sure if we're going to use the AliDropShip plugin this year. This plugin originally is $90. If you get a coupon, maybe you can bring it down to about $60 to $70, but this is also still a very high cost for some of our students, even though it is already stipulated in the syllabus, guys. So in the syllabus, this is not a surprise. You have to pay this much as requested, but I'm trying to lower the cost for my students as much as possible. So this semester, would like to try a free option and see how it goes. I will also tell you about the difference between this paid option with AliDropShip to automatically populate the database, or a free plugin option to populate our database automatically. Okay, this seems to be free also, but this is also not compatible with WooCommerce. So please try to take a look if these are compatible with WooCommerce. Not compatible. Oh, this is compatible with WooCommerce, but it's for fee. Do you see that? Nothing is compatible with WooCommerce for a fee. But do you see how the themes are different here? You know why Flat Sum is awesome? Because it allows you for so many different designs. You can switch to this design, this design, this design, this design. You can have so many different designs with the Flat Sum theme for $60. This is actually WooCommerce compatible, and this is free. This is a new one, seems to be, guys. So this is WooCommerce compatible. It's called Shopper, and it's also free. This one, Storefront, also free, and it's WooCommerce compatible. So now we have so many different options, in fact. Oh my, beautiful. So we won't have a boring semester. So I believe now you guys have different options. So we will have this option, WooCommerce compatible, and this is how it will look like. Don't worry, these are not all the pictures that you need to bring. This is only one picture that compiled so many pictures. So you have only one picture here to put as a banner, and you can have your whatever pictures here, shop by category, and this is the storefront. This is free. Let's take a look at the live demo together very quickly. You need to look at the live demo on your own. Lovely, looks lovely. Here's your logo. Here's the search. Please keep the search button by all means, because this is good for SEO, for digital marketing. And here is the lovely cart. This is the amount of the cart. Okay. These you can, I'm sorry to say that these are human beings, of course, celebrities, but this is the Hadiths. I am a big fan. So so these are the I think one of the sisters, the most paid model in the worldwide. In any case, you can look at all these as a single product. So take a look and see if you like this kind of design. Go for it. So hit the view details or view the demo. Here, view the details, just for you to take a look at the WooCommerce integration and why it should be WooCommerce compatible and all that. Anyway, guys, let's take a look, lovely people, on this one, Shopper. And let's go to the live demo. Lovely, lovely, lovely. So we have one more option this semester. So let's take a look at Shopper. All right, let's take a look. Again, you have, oh wow, I have some students, in fact, doing kitchenware. Guys, why don't you narrow down to cups and mugs? Okay, anyway, sorry to bring up such as a suggestion. Your niche is just awesome the way it is. Please proceed as you wish. So over here, it has more options, you can see. This is exactly almost the same as the t-shirt group, because over here, you can have t-shirts with different themes if you want. So you will have it, you only required to have about 4 categories. Yeah, 4 to minimum 4. So the list might not be this long. But if you want to show an extra work and effort to guarantee a very high grade, every student in the team with 5 students should have 1 category, but then each category will have 10 products only. But I was saying maybe 4 categories, and each category will have a little bit more than 10 products might be better, the way that the website might look like. So right here you can see how this design is different. I love this design, guys. In fact, I think this is lovely. because with this design you have the categories up here and the categories up here. I don't recommend having. Oh, now this is why I am changing my mind. Look at here. These categories are different. This is beer, coffee, cute, gift, whatever. But again, here's cute, here's heart, here's tea, here's gifts. There are different options here. The same actually gives kids travel. This is repetition. No need for the repetition. You can either stick with the drop-down menu, which is something I do not recommend. For a good SEO, I recommend keeping this oh, I'm sorry guys. Oh, wait a minute, I am really sorry. This is connected to the search. Wow, this is an awesome theme, guys. This is connected to the search field. You know what does that mean? Search in beer. Oh, this is an awesome theme. Search in gifts category, and yet you have the categories over here. One of the lovely things I love here is you have everything here. But what I don't like is the shop and also repetition. No need for repetition. I don't think there is a need for repetition, guys. You can just have your categories listed clearly as links on the toolbar. I love it. I love this theme. It has a really powerful search engine, I would say, or search field. Hopefully it works wonders. I would love to see how it works. In any case, I also love it because, well, it is more about if you have a very solid brand. For example, these guys, the Hadids, for example, they're very well known. Beyonce, you see what they are trying to tell you here. Be smart about it. They're trying to tell you these are very well known people. If you are selling very well known brands, which is something we're not doing in this course, but maybe in the future you might get the contract with very well known brands, or your customers are brand oriented, then yeah, why not we start with the category like that? But also you can start with the category. I don't want to be super sophisticated and say it this way, but for some reason I really love that we have the opportunity here to feature some of our awesome magnet-like products. Look at this awesome product over here. I love this about this site. Now with the flat sum theme, you can have the recent products and you have the categories. They have the recent products, you have the best sellers. Actually, you can replace the best sellers with categories if you want, or you can start with categories, yeah, and then products or featured products or recent products, best sellers, on sale. They got chopped by category. They have it all. This theme is awesome. They have it all. And they have the latest news. Latest news is this is for digital marketing and on the long run. If you are awesome, you will have some posts done, and you can write a little bit of posts, latest posts or latest news, whatever, or latest on our minds, or on our minds, the latest on our minds, something like that. Be hip, be young about it, you guys. Okay, and then I will show you how to create this lovely, very lovely footer and this very lovely other smaller footer. I think this theme have it all. It has the category here, has the different sections for product sale. I love this search field as well. But don't get me wrong, I don't want all the students and all the groups now to just stick to this theme, but probably this will be the theme that I will use myself. I really love it. Would like to try it. Okay, let's take a look at the other theme. This theme is also a very awesome theme. Which one? Boop, 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 boop. This theme, the Woocommerce Davinci 2 theme. This is the most stable theme. Why? Because it's been around for too long. Let's take a look, lovely people. This is the Davinci theme. with this theme, for example, the students who are doing the kitchen and bar, this is awesome theme for them. And this theme here, you have the different categories. You have also the shop here. You see there's no drop down menu. I love this about this theme. So this is your category page or the shop page. It's lovely. Can't you see how neat it is? Can't you see? Over here, look at the product design. The design is awesome. This is the theme I used last year, and probably I'm gonna use it, end up using it. I love how it is so simple, yet so following the UX, the user experience. You can change the colors, guys, if you want. So over here, you can add to cart. It helps you add to cart. Here's one item is already added. Let me show you the add to cart interface is awesome. Here's your order, gives you the subtotal, gives you free shipping, or if you have a flat rate or certain shipping arrangement, we're going to talk about shipping in the future. Cash delivery, probably you need to delete that if you're not shipping in Japan. But here you have PayPal, you have with the credit card. It gives you here testing Stripe documentation. So this is a testing credit card, so you can use this number for now as testing and put it in there and place an order and see where this order is listed in the dashboard, in the background, in your admin. Where's my admin? Here. So this is your admin. This is the back end that the audience, the customers will not see this. You're the only one who will see this. Okay. So right now I have to make a very difficult decision. I'm going to stop here, guys, and I will leave you some time, maybe 5 or maybe not 5 minutes. 5 minutes is very little. I'll give you 15 minutes to deliberate and discuss with your group members after viewing this video which theme you would like to vote for, which theme you think is best for your niche, your product category, and decide on the niche and come back so that I can show you how to install the niche or how to put the niche on your site with WordPress. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video.